Good afternoon, and let's look at the midday movers and which stocks are buzzing in trade today. So starting with private bank and NBFCs, the whole financial space, if you're going to see, is buzzing in trade today after the RBI panel report has suggested the entry of corporates and NBFCs into banking as well as raising founders' stake in the banks. These are suggestions which were made. So we are seeing that IndusInd Bank is up 3.4%, IDFC Bank is up around 7.3%, RBI Bank also buzzing, Cholamandalam Investments, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Mahindra Financial Services. All these stocks are buzzing in trade on the back of this news. Moving on to Future Group as well as Reliance Industries. Now Future Group, you're going to see Future Retail, Future Lifestyle up as much as 10%, Future Enterprises, Future Consumers up as much as 4 to 5% in trade. Also Reliance Industries up around 3 to 4%. Now what is the news flow is here that the Competition Commission of India has approved the acquisition of retail business, wholesale logistics and warehousing business of Future Group by Reliance Industries unit Reliance Retail Ventures, and that is why we are seeing that the stocks, both the company stocks are buzzing in trade today. Moving on to Motherson Sumi. Stock is up as much as 6% in trade, especially after the Vision 2025 which came over the weekend. And here the plan is a 5-year plan of around $36 billion in terms of revenue, de-risking the business, and also focusing on broader mobility space beyond PV segments, using new technologies for current products is some of the points that have come out during this Vision 2025, and it's going to be very interesting to watch out how Motherson Sumi actually performs on this front, and the stock is up as much as 6% in trade today. Moving on to Hudson Agro, that is up as much as 3.4% in trade after Telangana state government has agreed to provide subsidies worth around 25 crores to the company to setting up a ice cream plant in Govandipur. So that is something interesting, and we're going to keep an eye out further also how it goes. And as far as today is concerned, the stock is buzzing in trade. Moving on to the last stock is in the pharma space and COVID-19 vaccine related positive news coming in. So AstraZeneca said that the supplier gained on the back of the study which is showing that the COVID-19 vaccine prevented average of 70% of cases. So on that positive news coming in over there, we are seeing that the stock is buzzing in trade, and more positive news coming in the COVID-19 vaccine front. So very interesting space is the pharma space right now, and let's keep an eye out for any more positive news coming in further. But as of today, all these are the stocks that have been buzzing in trade and are likely to buzz even further going forward. So let's keep an eye out on all these stocks.